this video, we're gonna learn exact function. You can compare two strings using exact function. It returns true if both strings are same, otherwise it returns false. Let's try first example. Exact F3 and then G3. It's true because both of them are exactly same, F3 and G3. diaco.co.uk. Next one, we're gonna compare G4 and F3. Let's try it. Exact G4 and F3. Okay, it's false. Both of them are exactly same. There is only one difference. The first D in diaco for G4 is lowercase letter, but in F3 it is capital letter, and this is the difference between them. That means exact function is case sensitive. Keep it in your mind. Next situation, we're gonna compare two dates. Let's try it. Exact F5 and G5. It says true, but it seems different. Actually, both of these dates indicate one day, the same date. The only difference between them is their format. So their coding for Excel are same. As you know, time and date have their own codes in Excel, so there is no difference in what is your format. If both of them are same date, it returns true. Next one, we're gonna compare two empty cells. Exact F6 and G6. It's obvious, true, because both of them are completely empty. Next one, we have two cells that seems empty. Let's try it. Exact F7 and G7. Say false. Of course, they look empty, but there is some spaces in G7, but here we don't have spaces. So if you have a space that you cannot see them, it is also character and make differences. So for example, if we just add a space here after UK, just a space and enter, you see it turns false because there is a space after UK, but here we don't have that space. Last one, we're gonna enter arguments manually without addresses. Exact, use quotation marks. For example, diaco, quotation mark. So this can be useful when you want to copy a string from somewhere and compare it in Excel. Enter. It's true.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diaco Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website diaco.co.uk.